What's up?
Well, hey folks, how you doing today? I'm in Gulf Breeze, Florida, near lovely Pensacola. I'm at my sister's house, and she has a 16x8 and a 9x8.
And her doors are seriously noisy.
Need a little bit of lubrication. So I'm gonna run the door down, have you hear what I mean.
Check it out.
Yeah, that beast sounds pretty grumpy. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna lube this up. So I'm basically gonna go through and lubricate all the hinge points.
Huh?
What I mean by hinge points are like kind of this area here. Right in there. We want to hit that with some garage door spray. And also, you know, the torsion springs up there, they need a little bit of lubrication too. If you live along a coastline or something, you know, that salt will do a number on metal and steel. It's just the facts of life. Let's get this guy lubed up. So right here is the type of lubricant that I like to use. Nothing greasy. You want something that's going to last for a few months, but then eventually evaporate and not leave behind any kind of residue. So like axle grease and stuff like that is a big no-no. Yeah, so the sweet spot is right in here. So just get your spray and you know, you can get you a wipe rag and if you're overspraying, which can happen. But yeah, just hit the hinge with the lubricant. You can see this hinge right here has got some rust action going on. So yeah, we're gonna get that nozzle and we're gonna hit that guy, get it nice and lubed up. Yeah, and you can see underneath hinges, it leaves like some black debris. You can see that stuff right there.
Why?
That's just, that's your hinge, you know, metal on metal, causing that action right there. So yeah, this thing needed lubricated. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the rest of these guys. And then the wheels, the rollers on the ends, I didn't mention. Inside of that roller, there's some ball bearings. You can kind of see them in there. So this particular spray that I use, I'll have a low, medium, and high setting. So I put it on the high, which is a nice steady stream, so that way I can blast right in there to get those ball bearings, give them a nice soaking. So just kind of, you got to aim. Your aim gets better. But yeah, you just want to blast it right in there. There you go. You can also too, if you like, the stem of the roller, shoot some down there if you want. Get your little wipe rag and, you know, kind of clean that up. Hit your roller like that, you know, your hinge points. Spray all your hinge points. Last but not least, hit the spring. Spray that, keep it lubricated, and you know, that's what you can do as a homeowner to keep things nice and quiet. And last but not least, we got the spring here, so get your spray. You know, you want to spray it the best you can. You don't have to get it like dripping wet or anything. Just, you know, give it a nice little mist the best you can.
Know what I'm saying?
Make it nice and shiny looking. Just like that. I'm gonna actually reach behind it and kind of give it a good blast behind it, because there's enough room behind the wall. All right. Check that out. Lubricated, nice and shiny. You can tell over here on that one, kind of rusty and dull looking. So, you know, that's good spring maintenance. Not hard to do. You don't have to touch the spring or anything. So while I'm right here, I'm going to hit this, move my ladder, and get the rest of it. All right, so there we go. Yeah, and also on the end here, you have your end bearing plates, and that's just a big bearing that tube goes through. So you can also get your lubricant and you can spray in between that first little opening in this bearing, and you'll get those bearings inside of there. So that's a good thing to do as well. Yeah, just go to the other side and do the other bearing plate as well. Alright, so for the LIFTMASTER 3255, I am going to spray the chain. So I'm going to put my National spray on the setting low and lube that guy up as well. Alright, so now you're here at your garage door opener chain. I get that spray and I'm going to go through and just a light spray. I'm not going to get too crazy with it because you don't want it dripping all over your car. But just, you know, a little light mist all the way down it. And I'm going to move down. Alright, do the other side obviously. And then underneath, you know, you can purchase some LIFTMASTER rail grease. That works the best versus the spray. But I want to give it a light spray anyways, just to kind of get rid of that rust color. There we go. A little bit better. The spray lubricant isn't really what's for that. You should get like some proper rail grease, but this will help for the time being. Now let's go ahead and cycle this thing a few more times. Let that lubricant work in. Definitely a lot less angry sounding. So yeah, pick you up some garage door lubricant. I mean, you can go to Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot. They sell like their knockoff version. This is what I use, you know, and have for a long time. Real good product here. Yeah, to keep up on your maintenance. If you're living along a coastline. Now I'm here in Florida. It'd be a good idea to lubricate that door. Let's run it again.
Whoa!
Thanks for watching us, and keep those doors lubed up.
Roger that.
Peace out.